What is up, Pyro Nation? We're here with Empire, kind of like the sister slash brother cake to Rebellion. As you see, it is from Planet X Fireworks. Let's spin it around. Check out the other stuff. There's a description there. Another one. There's a top. It's a 200-gram cake. As you see, it is 25 shots, again from Planet X Fireworks. Let's check out the description. Screaming, whistling tails of hard-hitting, multicolored peonies. Sounds like a winner to me, but we're not going to know until we go check it out. So, Empire, Planet X Fireworks. Let's waste no time and go check a bad boy out. See you in a little bit. Empire. Ryan, you're right. Whistle. Nice.